to my channel. Today is another video. I just filmed this look with this shirt, so I might be just wearing the same thing in case you pick up on that. And if you hear any kind of crunching or munching, my dog Piper, she is right here. She's drinking her water and eating her food because it's that time to eat for her. So yeah, it is crazy out here. It is raining nonstop. It is like crazy. I love the cold weather. The cold front came in. I don't like it together. I don't like rain and cold weather together. It's just a hassle. Some of the streets are closed. They're flooded. So I'm just here at home, and this came in the mail. I had Destiny. I parked right near the mailbox, and she was like, "Mom, your Ipsy's here." So my Ipsy is here. So this video is going to be my Ipsy unbagging. I do not know what I'm getting. I don't even know the theme of it. That's how busy I am. Guys, lately there's been a month where I'll be like, oh my god, I know what I'm getting because I'm so excited. You know, there's a day where I can literally breathe and be like, what did I get? But this month I do not know what it looks like. I have not seen any other videos, so I don't even know what the theme of the makeup bag of this month is. So let's open this together and see what we got in this bag. So here it is. If you don't know what Ipsy is and you have been sleeping under a rock and you don't know, Ipsy is a subscription that you pay monthly, $10 a month. You get 5 little items in your makeup bag, whatever the design is for the month, the theme of it. And yeah, if you want to know more about it, I will leave the link in the description in the bottom. You guys click that, check that out for you guys. And yeah, I actually like stuff like that because sometimes you get brands that you've never heard of, and you end up liking a lot of stuff. A lot of the stuff I purchased, and I never even heard of them if it wasn't through Ipsy, or if I have heard of a brand but I never even tried that product and I like it and I'm buying it. So that is that. So I always like to go with the card, but there's not a card in here, so I'm assuming it's in here. The bag I love. One, it's red. And two, this material, that vinyl type of material that is so easy that you can clean your makeup bag, because I hate when a makeup bag is clogged and you spill something and it's dirty. So I love to use these, especially it's masquerade. These I like to use if you're going to a dance, you're going to a party with the girls and you want to carry a big old bag, you're going clubbing, and you're just dancing around and you're already holding your cell phone. Might as well just hold this little bag. I know some people like the little wristlet. You can just put a little thing here if you want. You can buy it at Hobby Lobby, Michaels, they sell them or whatever. Put it in there and you can have a little wristlet or whatever. Sometimes you just want to hold it and model it or whatever. Unless you want a time of the month, put stuff in here, whatever it may be. But there's a makeup bag. So I like this makeup I like this makeup bag. It is pretty. I like it. I don't know. It's just Halloweenish, kind of like a black tie masquerade party type of thing. So this is black. It says Ipsy on it. There's nothing on here. You can open it up and the inside is black. So it does have that little material where it is easy to clean as well. And then I like to open or take out the card. It says, who said nights were for sleep? This so describes me because, one, I have insomnia. Insomnia is a bitch. Literally, I've been sleeping at 5 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, 5:30 in the morning, and I have to be up by 5:45 to get my oldest ready, to get ready, get dressed, let's go, drop her off my van for 6:30 in the morning, come back, make sure my second daughter, is up to take her to school by 7:30, and then I go get breakfast, come back, and I sleep for a little bit, get up and go my day, the things I need to do. So that whole little intro thing so describes me. Insomnia sucks. I wish I could sleep normally like a person, like a human being that sleeps normally, but I don't. I'm not normal. I do not sleep. I cannot sleep. The time I get to sleep is during the day. And I know people are like, well, why do you take a nap during the day? Because I'm have not slept at night. It's gonna mess me up. So anyway, let's move on. So the first thing I pull out is, I love brushes. I love when I get brushes. So this is a little brush. Let's open this up. I like it because I don't even wash my brushes. Again, I've been busy and I have not had time to wash my brushes. So when a new one comes out, you're just like, yes. Okay, so this kind of resembles the other one that I have, which is dirty as well. That's not me of this one. You see how I have the little rhinestones? This is by Slimsy Glam, and this one is by Slimsy Glam. Same, I can tell because they both have little rhinestones on it. You can tell this is the dirty one. I used this one earlier today. So this one has reminds me like a cotton candy. It's like blue, pink, and white, and then this right here is shimmery. It's kind of a little bit slanted because of little stuff in the makeup brush. It kind of slants it. My mind's doesn't like. They kind of got it crooked. You see that? No, it's your finger. Your finger will go like that. Anyway, so yeah, it is crooked, but it's okay. I can fix it. No problem. But yeah, it's just cute. I like it. I love brushes. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is blackhead removal mask. Peel off mask. It may look gross, but it's super satisfying. Have y'all been seeing like Snapchat where it says like satisfying things, like people doing some weird sounds or whatever and satisfying, or like the slime or the whatever it may be? I think those are cool. So that's what it reminds me of. I love masks. You already know. I stock up on these, and me and the girls use them. One day, I don't know if you saw that video, me and Addison did a mask, and yeah, maybe we'll just try this one out for our next video. But this is what it looks like. I've never heard of this brand, which I don't even know what the brand is, because all it says is blackhead removal mask. I seriously doubt that's the name of the brand, and I cannot read that. It's too tiny. But anyway, it looks like this. So, and I can tell by the light, like it's black in here. So there is that. The next one I'm going to pull out is a So Soothing Cosmetic Color Trip. High Intensity Color Pigment. So I'm guessing it is, to say hello, we heart hearing from you. We love hearing from you, not heart hearing from. Get it right. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little, I guess, a loose shadow. And it's not sealed, so, ooh, this is like a loose pigment purple. Like, I have some other loose ones and I just don't use them, but this one I probably would definitely be using because I love purple. And although I don't like the way purple looks on me, but lately, I'm coming up with some cool ideas, cool eye looks with purple. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. I can't wait to try this out. And it's a really pretty purple loose pigment. I don't know what this is. Anyway, next, oh yes, Shape Tape Concealer. Yes, I love concealer. I hope it's my shade. I don't even know what shade this is. Light medium. I think that it might be. This is light. Yes! Oh my god! They sent me a little one, my old one. Oh my god, I know. Too excited. But I'm excited because the last one they sent me was a Kat Von D, and I love the texture of it. I love that concealer, but it was wrong shade for me, and I gave it to Destiny, and it was a perfect shade for her, and she loves it. So now I know that I can go get her a full size of that one. But I love it. They sent me a little one. This is by far my favorite product so far. And last but not least, this is a blush serum nourishing water base cheek and lip color. I always want to try something like that. This is what it looks like. And this is Beauty Tanio something. I don't know. I can't see that, guys. That's like freaking tiny. But I want to open this up because I've been wanting to try something like this. A lot of like the K-Beauty have stuff like that, like the ones where you can do like the cream blush, get off, and the lip. Oh wow, it's not even. So it looks like the little silver thing came off. Let's see. We're gonna see how this looks. Oh, that is pretty. You see that? Like, it comes out like really thick. I'm gonna swatch from earlier day. But this is pretty. Like, I can see that being like a nice, like natural, beachy type of shade, although we're in fall. So you want to go like a natural look. That looks so pretty. I definitely will be trying that on my face. But that is about it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you are with Ipsy, let me know what you guys got, what your favorite thing was. I'm going to have to say my favorite by far is the Tarte. I'm so excited that they sent me this one. And in my shade. I'm so excited. So, yep, that's about it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You're already here. Might as well. It's free. So anyway, talk to you guys later. Mwah. Bye.